lock back, chamber.
Nope, bolt back now. You're going to ride it forward on the start signal.
Okay.
Give me a nod when you're ready.
Ready?
Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by.
Hey.
One more shot on this one.
Oh.
2 on each from the rooftop. 1 on each everywhere else.
Alright, I gotta find the guy in the snow again. Hey. And then
Middle. It's the rightmost one on the ramp there, the larger one.
yeah.
Slightly to the left, it looks like.
Yeah.
Hit.
Now.
Nope. Far target. 470 yards. It's the leftmost target against the back wall. The silhouette.
To the right.
Oh, I can't get stable.
Hey!
I have your rifle.
All the way back here.
I'm going to be crowding your muzzle to get a sound signature here. 1 round each, near to far.
Hit.
You have 18 seconds left.
Re-engage your next one.
Next one. Time. Unload and show clear.
That's a big one, freebie.
Yeah, you can take a freebie. High to the left. Give me a nod. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Stand by.
It's 2 on each, right?
2 on each.
Hey.
Steady. I was wiggling.
Yeah.
Uncontrollably.
1, 2, 2, 2. So 2, 2, 2, 2, 2.
You hit each target twice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you go in here and you gauge one shot of lead.
Okay, so just the big one
There you
here,
go.
the big one at the second stage,
Yeah,
Muzzle.
and the big one on the back,
2 shots on each one.
on each of the big targets.
Yeah, I'll double check.
So it's 2,
Far
4,
left.
6, 8,
Back row.
or 2, 4,
2,
6.
4, 6, and then you go for your single shots.
And do we have yardages on these?
Hard to get steady.
It is.
Yeah.
Take the head of
Wonder, go figure, huh?
Yeah.
Thought we'd have made it easy for you.
the, so you figure 100 yards. You're going to target.
40 seconds remaining. You have your rifle.
hit.
It's a hit.
Far left, far left.
Unload and show clear. Nicely done.
Thanks.
You can bring your bag up.
Got her.
Good shoot. Give me a nod when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Are you ready? Stand by.
In pocket. Far target.
Far left in the array.
The small one or the
Big one. Far left.
Got it.
Hit. Right. And we're moving.
Hand me an empty rifle. I have your rifle. You have your rifle.
1, 1, and 1, right?
1, 1, and 1.
Kneeling or any position?
Yes.
Any position?
Yeah, I just said from this one here.
Hit.
Yeah. Then you're gonna.
Hit.
Bolt back. You have 30 seconds left. Oh well. Then let's go clear. I got your rifle.